How to speed up Instagram story. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, swipe right or tap on Your Story in the upper left corner. This will open the camera. Now, look at the menu on the top side of the screen. You will see a speed icon which looks like a small play button with a speedometer. Tap on this icon to open the speed settings. You will see different speed options. If you want to slow down your video, choose 0.3x or 0.5x speed. This will make your video play in slow motion. If you want to speed up your video, select 2x or 3x speed. This will make the video play faster than normal. Once you have selected the speed, tap the record button to start filming your video. You can record clips in different speeds within the same reel by changing the speed setting before each clip. After recording, tap on the arrow button to move to the editing screen. Here, you can add stickers, text, or draw on your video. If you're happy with your edits, tap the arrow button again. Now, you will see the final screen where you can add a caption, tag people, and choose where to share your reel. When everything is ready, tap the share button to post your video. That's how to speed up Instagram story.